Finally, the wait is end. It's time to mark your calendars because November 1st might just be the next big day for Apple's product launches. We're talking new Macs, a refreshed iPad mini, and maybe a few surprises thrown in for good measure. So stick around and let's dive into all the juicy details on what's coming next from the tech giant in Cupertino. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. So Apple has a bit of a tradition, right? Last year, they dropped their new lineup around this time, and it looks like they're following suit in 2024. Now, while the rumor mill has been buzzing for months, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman is giving us a solid lead. According to him, Apple's planning a big announcement at the end of October with an official launch day on Friday, November 1st. But what's in store for us this time? Let's break it down. First up, it's almost guaranteed we'll see the M4 MacBook Pro. Now, the iPad Pro's been hogging the M4 spotlight for a while, but it's the MacBook's turn. We're talking M4, M4 Pro, and if you want to go all out, M4 Max options. Whether you're a casual user or a power user who demands peak performance, these models should cover all bases. And it's not just the laptops getting an upgrade. Remember the Mac Mini? That cute little desktop that looks like the Apple TV's older cousin? Yeah, it's getting a major facelift with either M4 or M4 Pro under the hood. Oh, and don't forget the iMac. It's about time it gets a spec bump too, transitioning to the M4 chip. Now, let's talk about what might be the most exciting release, the iPad Mini 7. Okay, no massive redesigns here, but don't worry, the upgrades are all in the details. We're expecting an A18 chipset, which is going to make it faster and smarter. Plus, remember that annoying jelly scrolling issue? Well, it looks like a new display chip is going to fix that once and for all. Now, you'd think that'd be enough, right? Well, Apple's got big plans stretching into 2025 too. Ready for a sneak peek? M4 MacBook Air in 13 and 15-inch models, likely landing around March. Apple loves its spring laptop launches. iPhone SE 4. Say goodbye to the home button. This bad boy's going full screen with a notch. And yes, Apple Intelligence is on board. M3 iPad Air. A refreshed iPad Air lineup is coming with new Magic Keyboards to boot. AirTag 2. After 3 years of tracking all your stuff, the AirTag's getting an upgrade. We don't know much yet, but I'm calling it built-in batteries and wireless charging. And if you're into the heavy-duty desktops, we've got Mac Pro and Mac Studio updates too, but you'll need to be patient. These won't drop until mid to late 2025. Yep, Apple is definitely keeping us on our toes for the next year and beyond. So there you have it. A jam-packed lineup of launches that's sure to get Apple fans excited. From the M4 Max to the new iPad Mini, it's going to be an epic holiday season for tech lovers. But I want to hear from you. What product are you most excited about? Is it the M4 MacBook Pro or maybe the iPad Mini 7? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss an Apple drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.